Hi, this is Carol and welcome to my channel. Today I'm participating in the 4th of July bar card collab hosted by Forlisa from Home, Body and Soul. Now all we have to do is decorate a bar card or a tray and island coffee table or just do a tablescape. So what I chose to do is my entryway. Now this is decorated for the last collaboration that I did, but this time I chose to do something completely different. A candy card decorated with the red, white, and blue patriotic colors. Keeping with the red, white, and blue theme, I went with some of the family's favorite candies. Now I have some marshmallows right there, and I also have some red candies, and right beside that we have some white yogurt covered raisins. Below that I have a container of red and white candies, and that also has a spoon in there to ensure that no one puts their hands on the candies. I also have a small cup that anybody can just fill their cups up with the different types of candies that we have. Now no candy bar is complete without Twizzlers in my home, red Twizzlers, because that is my son's favorite. Right here I have some blue, I think those are sour fishies, and beside that I have some Swedish berries. So as you can see, I kept the red, white, and blue theme on this particular candy bar. I used a lot of apothecary jars in order to decorate this candy bar, and what I did, as you can see, I used white ribbon, and to add a touch of glam, I also have these rhinestone buckles. These I was able to purchase from AliExpress. I made the wreath that you see above from a previous DIY that I did approximately a week ago. Now I'd like to thank Forlisa for hosting this collaboration, and I'd like to encourage each and every one of you to go and see the great jobs that the other participants did. And if you like what you see, please like, share, and subscribe.